Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new iPhone, which is the iPhone 16e. So apparently, Apple believed that the trend is for the smartphones gone. So they got rid of the SE, and so the 16e is the entry level for the iPhone 16, right? And you can start pre-order now, and it will be available in 3 days as we speak. And for the price for this, about $600, short of $1, $5.99. And it is intended, and it has Apple Intelligence. So right now, Apple is all into Apple Intelligence, even though we don't see anything much yet, but that's what they're going for, and that's what they're advertising. So, and this is what it looks like. It has one camera, and it's 6.1 inch screen size. So just looks like the SE form, but it's a bigger. That's all, right? Pretty nice. And it comes in two colors, white or black. You can choose either one you like. And as far as for storage, they only gave you three options: 128 for 600, or 256 for 699 or 700. And then if you want to go for the 512, which is like $900, that's quite a bit, right? So, and if you want like 1 terabyte, right, then you got to go to a bigger, like a more higher-end phone, like maybe the Pro. And Apple Trade-in, they also provide that as well too, and you get $40 up to $630 towards your new iPhone, depending on what smartphone you own. But in this case, we're just going to click on no trade-in. And here, good thing is they give you the option to finance as well too. $24.95 for 24 months. And if you're doing it with the carrier, be $16.93 for 36 months. So, excuse me. So it's like bringing back the contract. So not good. And here, even though if you're gonna do here, it gives you the option to check to pick the carrier that you would like to connect the phone to. I suggest that just connect it later, so that way your phone comes unlocked. You don't want to be binding with AT&T or T-Mobile or even with Verizon. And then they do offer you like the protections with Apple Care. You can do like $99.99 a month, or you can do it like a whole year for $99. And it says here, unlimited repairs for accidental damage protection, theft and loss coverage for up to 2 claims every 12 months or a year. Express replacement service will ship you a replacement, so you don't have to wait for a repair, which is nice. And 24/7 priority access to the Apple experts, or the genius, right? So here, as you can see, you can pre-order it now, and then you can pick it up at the Apple Pasadena. This is black. And what's in the box? So you get the phone, and you get the USB Type-C charging cable, which is good. Now, pretty much Apple products are going towards the USB Type-C, which is really nice, right? We don't want to use so many different cables. I think my iPhone 13 is still using Lightning. With your new iPhone comes with so much more. You get like what? Apple TV 3 months, Apple Fitness 3 months, and then Apple Arcade, and then Apple News. When I got my phone, I didn't use any of these services. I don't know. Maybe it's not for me. Here tells you which iPhone is right for you. All right. So you got the 16 Pro, and then you got the 16, and you got the 16e, which is pretty new, and then you got the iPhone 15. All right. You can see the prices wise, the Pro is always the highest price, like almost $1,000 starting. And then you got the 16800 and the E600, and then the 15700. And here I give you the size of the different phones that you can see. Minimum, or the smallest one we can get now from Apple, is 6.1. Right? They don't think like small phones suitable anymore. When Samsung first came out with the Note 2 or the Note, man, people were laughing. But eventually, people caught on. The more screens, the better. But the folding phone's going to die. That's just it's not going to work. And as you can see, the 16 here, this is what you get: the Super Retina XDR display. You don't get the other ProMotion technology always on display, but I think the always on displays, I don't really need it. Doesn't matter. Aluminum with glass back action button. The action button, that's pretty good compared to the high-end model. They all have it. And then you get the Apple Intelligence. And you also get the A18 chips, right? But this one is only with 4 core of GPU. Compared to the Pro, you get 6 core of GPUs. And then it doesn't come with the camera control, you know. So give and take, you know, you pay like $600. So Apple got to some way, somehow take away some of the features. So that way, if you want those features, you got to spend more money and go into the Pro level, which is here, like starting at $1,000. Going down to the cameras, you can see very minimum, like 2-in-1 camera system, 48 megapixel fusions, super high resolution photos, 24 and 48, all that stuff. You don't have the macro photography, and there's no spatial photos and videos. But other than that, that's it. And then zoom, optical zoom. And there's no dynamic island. I really hate that one, so it doesn't matter. Battery life. So 26-hour playback. Pretty nice. It has Face ID, right? Compared to everything else. So the only thing that doesn't have is the dynamic island and the magical way to interact with your iPhone, right? That one, and then you got the camera control, and then you got you're missing 2 cores instead of 6. You know, you got 4. But other than that, like starting $600, I think for an entry level, I think it's really, really good, right? Yeah, but that's just unless you're really into taking a lot of pictures and you want you need more than 512 or something, then you go with the higher end one, right? But the entry level for 600, that's pretty sweet, pretty nice for a new phone. I think it's gonna basically when Apple tried to do this, basically Apple just trying to get as much market share as possible from Samsung's or any other Android's user, right? That's why they have like. This is 1,000, almost half the price, right? So they want to hit every part of the group of the customers out there. So, but yeah, I got the 15 Pro, bought it maybe 2 years ago. And believe it or not, when I bought the phone, I actually did a video about this one. I bought it through Apple, and I think they promised within 2 hours, an older Korean couple actually delivered to my house. It was surprising. Right? I guess now they partnered up with all kind of third-party shipper or something. So the last time I bought something from Walmart, again, a Korean couple, I think they delivered some kind of like the air fryer for me, you know. So yeah, so check it out. So sometimes you order stuff like from Apple Store, you can pretty much get it within 2 hours of the time that you ordered for your phone. Yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about phone or Tesla, if you use my referral code, you can save up to $2,500, which will be in the descriptions as well. And that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.